Right out the gate, the judge is clocking courtroom attire. And yes, folks, what you wear in court matters. It's not about fashion. It's about showing respect for the process. And maybe avoiding that silent, "Are you serious?" stare from the bench.
Just give me one moment. All right. Court is calling 2022 CR 2355. Oh, there's no objection?
No, they're from the
Well, that's all good. Well, before I agree to your early termination, what have you learned?
A lot of parenting skills. I got a lot of advice, relationship advice. A lot of the classes that I went to. Yeah, I know a lot better about everything. This is my time with relationships. Not moving so fast anymore.
Yeah. All right. Well, the no contact order is still in place. You understand? All right. Well, I'm glad that you have learned something. I always say parenting classes is always great. Anger management classes always great because sometimes the day doesn't go the way we expect it to go, and it's easy to get frustrated and then take out your anger on somebody else. All right. Well, good luck to you. I will grant the request for early termination once it's presented to me by probation. I will sign. All right. Thank you. And dressing appropriately for court.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Have a shot. Yeah. Cool. All right. Who is here on Jared Cowan? Right. Has all the discovery been received?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has an offer been tendered?
Not yet, Your Honor. The government state will the case.
Okay. All right, Norma. We call this in 3 weeks. State you need to tender an offer at the time.
Your Honor, if we may have 5 to 10 more minutes, we may have an offer.
Okay, thank you. All right, just have a seat and we'll come.
We'll stand by.
All right, thank you. Gimme Del Angel.
Here's a key moment. The judge is testing if rehabilitation actually worked. This isn't small talk. It's a credibility check. The more genuine and specific the answers, the more likely the court believes change is real.
Phil Reyes. Michael David Sewell. Richard Campos. Oh, thank you. Oh, I still have the call. Yes.
Judge, with respect to Jared Cohen,
Mm-hmm.
the state is extending the PPP offer.
Here, come forward. All right, so Norm, I need to reset J for PTD. No, PTD. All right, are you in school? All right, so when does school start for you? Everyone, please whisper. 26th of August. Are you going to school here or out of? Okay. Do you have morning classes?
I haven't picked them yet. I'm sure you can just go online for this session because I want to know.
All right, Norma, put him down for you to appear by Zoom. You can, well, I should say, you can appear by Zoom if you so choose. I don't want to interfere with your class schedule. And you may not be able to sign up for my class because I think there will be a conflict. So, yeah, so don't, unless somebody has a problem. If you want to sign up for my class. Okay. I teach campaign and election law and trial advocacy and appellate law. So, all right, so You can appear by Zoom, so it won't interfere with your classes. Counsel, you'll need to have the contract and all of that done by next time. All right. Once you sign the recess form, you're excused. Thank you for dressing appropriately for court. You're welcome.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Hello. Sure.
Here on Matthew G. Martinez, we just got received.
Yes.
So just filled out the notice of appearance in the back.
Okay.
So just want to let the court know
Right. Thank you.
that is.
Yes, you may be released.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Sure.
Yeah.
Are you all ready to proceed?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Who's for the state on this? It's criminal trial division.
You can do it, Judge.
Thank you. All right. The court is calling 2021 CR 2967, State versus Gloria Marie Garzales. Can I have parties announced?
Guilty plea for the state of Texas, Your Honor.
First off, our
Now, you Gloria Marie Garzales?
Yes, Lord.
All right. Did you review the document entitled Motion to Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Lord.
Are you the same Gloria Marie Garzales who was placed on community supervision in 2021 CR 2967 for the offense of evading arrest detention with a vehicle on April 28, 2021 for a term of 5 years? Is that you?
Yes, Lord.
All right, state.
Violation condition number 5. In Boone County, Texas, the defendant, Gloria Marie Garzales, defendant there failed to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of December, January, February, March 2025, in violation of condition number 5.
How do you plead to that, true or not true?
The state will waive and abandon the remaining violations, Your Honor.
All right, there are other violations?
The state does see supplements.
All right, so did you review the supplemental motion to revoke community supervision with your attorney?
No, ma'am. I only saw one violation.
All right, did you review that with your attorney?
Yes, sir.
And it appears that the state is only proceeding on the violation that you were aware of. They're waiving any other violations. Do you understand?
Yes.
So the court is not going to consider any other violations, only the violation that you pled true for if you wish to continue with your plea of true. Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 5, the court can find it true, grant the motion, sentence you to 5 years in prison and up to a $1,500 fine?
Yes.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 5?
Yes.
Court will find violation of condition number 5 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There's not, Your Honor. We're going open.
And state, what are you recommending?
The state is recommending you grant the state's motion, revoke probation, or reform the judgment for 3 years, Your Honor.
All right, defense, what are you requesting?
Judge, we were pleading true. It's kind of a unique situation in this case, Your Honor, with an explanation. I think our first choice would be to deny the revocation and terminate Sacro. If I can give a little background, Judge,
Yeah.
what I didn't have when before. When she pled in probation on this case, she was in probation. She was in Brown County Jail, but she had a blue warrant. And so after she pled on this case, her parole was revoked. And then, she was in continuous custody until I have a document here, and she's from the state, and which also shows she was in custody, Your Honor.
Any objection to the court reviewing the document?
None from the state, Your Honor.
All right, you may continue.
And so, Your Honor, speaking with Ms. Garzales, you say that she can meet with a probation officer who came to Brown County Jail, but they were kind of perplexed about the reason why she took probation when she got an outstanding blue warrant. I know parole issues.
Now, usually there's a plea because they think if they were given probation on this and some sort of help, then maybe parole won't revoke. Sometimes parole will look at.
This is the turning point. The defendant is about to admit to violating probation. Remember, in legal terms, pleading true is basically saying, yes, I messed up. That one word can instantly open the door to prison time. or mercy, depending on the judge.
With that, not revoke them. Sometimes parole will.
In my conversations with Ms. Garzales, she stated to me that when they were probation, they had presented to her that if she got revoked, they would seek to modify the probation to
start your district.
and obviously that did not occur, Your Honor, and I don't know the veracity of that situation or not, Your Honor. I don't. But she's putting herself into the court right now. She's admitting that once she was released, she did not report. So it's just a unique situation. I mean, there's which there's confirmation that she was actually in prison, not a situation in which she's signed and ignored obligations to the court, Your Honor. There's not. There's about 8 months or so after the term of probation, Your Honor. I think it's just that she was a little brief in the court so that she could either continue on probation or consider terminating her satisfactorily so that she can go ahead and actually kind of take truth and forward putting the situation behind her. I think she also wanted to explain some of the things and also trainings that she has since your information on it.
All right, you want to raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God? All right, you can lower your hand. State your name for the record. All right, counsel, you may proceed.
Yeah, you have complaints you want to tell Jack about what you've done change yourself since without probation.
Yes, I did cognitive thinking. I got 2 trades. I got my license in mechanics. I got my MBA. I got my GED. And I took 7 shots that I could to change my life. I got full custody of my son. And I stepped back, got a job. I was doing everything I was supposed to. I was taking care of my child. I was paying my bills. And I just wanted to get back to go back to school at 18. And I've already left so much time. So it doesn't matter if it's probation or if it's termination. I'm going to do it regardless. It's really all I want to say. I mean, 3 years. I did 3 years, and that's when I changed my life. And right now, it's actually trying to get to more classes. I'm just trying to do what I can to change my life. And like I said, probation, I'll take it and I'll do it. With discharge, I'm gonna do it. It really doesn't matter to me. I just wanna get on with my life.
All right, so any questions? I'm sorry, State.
None from the state.
So you've taken these classes, but what have you learned?
I've learned about my anger. I've learned about the way I was thinking and how I hurt people. And I've taken full responsibility for myself and my actions that I learned. That's it. And if I would have known that I could just came here, I would have. And I didn't know that. But there's no reason why I should be in this situation. There's really no reason why. Just that I broke the law. And I'm just ready to take responsibility.
Probation. What is your recommendation? Any objection to the court review and the court summary?
None from the state.
No, no.
Here's my question. Where have you been?
I go with myself.
Yeah, because I mean, the thing about it is you were released on probation, according to this, November 17th. Sorry, released on parole, November 17th, 2024. And after that release, I've been trying to contact you. And what I can tell you is, I remember first starting out Probation wouldn't do all of this.
Person that I was on probation at, I left that situation, and he's in custody right now for me. So she wasn't telling me anything.
All right, and who is this person?
James Oviedo, I have a no contact order with him.
I'm sorry, James who?
Oviedo,
How do you spell the last name?
Oviedo. And he wasn't letting me know that probation was contacting me. Nothing. He didn't know anything.
And when did this shooting occur?
It occurred a month ago, or like a month and a half ago. I went to go talk to him and get the rest of my stuff. And as I was leaving, he was trying to keep me there. And when I was walking away, he shot me. When I went into the hospital.
All right, and what's his date of birth?
It's April 12th, 9th.
All right, I'm going to think about this for a moment. Just give us a moment. Does anybody want to check into her story with this James Oviedo?
I'm pretty confused. Was that the probation officer, or like this gentleman is?
He was the one that I was on probation at his house.
That is the residence where you were staying. So your probation had to. He's not your probation officer. This was a suitor.
Yes.
And I guess probation was going there.
Okay. Just have a seat. We're going to unpack these bags, okay? Just give us a moment. Just have a seat. All right. James Toshi, your client, Alexandra Dean, is on Zoom.
Would you like to do that?
Yes. Yes. All right. Ms. Dean, you need to show your back. Luis Martinez.
Yeah, I'm going to get her talk about.
Right. Yemi Reyes. All right, Norma, if you let him know his client is not here. Antonio Garcia Jr. Antonio Garcia Jr. Hector Renee Aguilar. All right. Deputy Mejia. When you have a chance, could you bring out Hector Aguilar, please? All right, what is your name? All right, can I have that back, please? All right, Hector Garcia.
Whoa, that's a bombshell. In the middle of a probation hearing, we just pivoted to a domestic violence shooting incident. This is where the judges' gears start turning, because now the violation might not just be about missed check-ins, but about protecting the defendant from further harm.
Oh, I'm sorry. Antonio Garcia Jr. Will you come forward, please? All right. Your attorney's on vacation. Norma, recall this for the 12th.
Oh, this month?
Yes. August 12th. So that will be your plea deadline date. Okay. All right. Once you sign the reset form, you excuse. Okay. For addressing appropriately for court.
Sure.
All right. Joel Gonzalez, will you come forward, please? Your attorney is currently in jury trial, so we're going to give you a reset. All right, Ms. Ferguson, reset this in 2 weeks, please. All right, so once you sign the reset form, you excuse. And on that one, you said 821, Norma? All right, who's here? And Cody Wade Harris?
Oh, yeah, I don't want to.
All right, if you'll come forward, please. All right, is this an application?
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Morning.
Doing great. How are you doing?
Okay.
For dressing appropriately for court.
Oh.
All right, guys, on Cody Harris, I don't have the acknowledgement of discovery.
We believe that we filled one out last setting, but I changed.
Oh, no, they'll just need to pull it. Do you all have it? Just a moment, okay? All right, the court is calling 2024 CR 0490, State versus Cody Wade Harris. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state? For the defense?
John Gilmore on behalf of Mr. Harris.
Then are you Mr. Harris?
Yes, sure.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
I have it.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Harris, did you review the application for deferred adjudication and community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yeah.
Did you sign it? Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Sure.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yeah.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it, sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yeah, sure.
Did you understand your charge of possession of a controlled substance, felony group 1, 4 grams to 200 grams, that's a second-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yeah, sure.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses. The state would call in the right to remain silent. Did you understand by entering this plea you were giving up those rights?
Yeah, sure.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? Did you understand that the court would grant your application for deferred adjudication? If for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I do believe that, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Please.
Mr. Harris, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
Oh, yeah.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea? Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, sir.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, sir.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, sir.
According to the plea bargain agreement, the state recommends deferred adjudication. There's to be restitution of $60 to the Bexar County Laboratory for testing. There's to be restitution of $60 to Texas Department of Transportation. There is to be a judgment satisfied in 2025 CC 000685. CHAP evaluation, follow those recommendations in MRT. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, sir.
Defense?
Yes, sir.
State?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand? Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No motions, sir.
Outside the agreement, the state is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 4 years, and there be 100 hours of community service restitution. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state, and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, sir.
Then to the offenses charge, how do you plea? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest, Your Honor.
State any evidence.
State offers States Exhibit 1 and all attachments at this time, Your Honor.
No objections.
State you may be excused.
Judge.
Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Sure.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront new witnesses? The state will call in the right to remain silent.
Sure.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Sure.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence States Exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. All right, after reviewing States Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you apply for deferred adjudication. All right, proceeding with sentencing.
Yeah.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor. Mr. Harris, the 1-year-old farmer, he was in judgment years ago. He's made a lot of significant life changes since then. Most importantly, he made a significant Jessica is playing important in the red cup there on. She's been a child influence on his life. Father's influence on him. He's been following all the conditions. Actually been married in September as well. And we're both looking forward to doing this behind them. and compete into the court because you're so
All right. So if you're drug tested today, what are the results going to be?
good.
All right. So when's the last time you used?
Probably the day of.
And so you went into the hospital, and what happened? Because it shall see you were arrested.
I don't recall. I remember bleeding.
All right. So, how do you maintain sobriety?
I do a lot of work.
All right. And what do you do?
Farm, I work from a trucking business, and it's sweet, and it's really good years out.
8 days a week?
Oh,
Still in my math. I mean, there's a day. Deputy Lord, Deputy Mayor, there's a day we've been missing. I mean, you have job schedule. And so when you say you farm, what do you farm?
Then come by the Milo, and a lot of hay.
What's Milo?
It's made. The grains are like corn.
Okay.
We make it sense.
Okay. Do you have any children? And what are their ages?
30. The twins are 30, and then the youngest one is 20.
Oh, okay. So when you do have free time, how do you see that? Okay. All right. How's your grandchild?
17. The youngest one right now is about 4 months.
And are you here in Bell County?
I live in Wilson County.
All right. So is there going to be a request for a transfer?
Yes, sir.
I'm trying to learn geography of Texas. I know I should already know this, but I don't. How far is Wilson from Bell County?
Left.
Oh, okay. So,
I actually work in the
all right. So, do you need a transfer to Wilson?
I come into San Antonio. I'm in there for my job. I also go farther south also. I wouldn't have a problem coming to that county.
Okay. All right. This is what the court is going to do. 4 years deferred adjudication, regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs, restitution of $60 to Bexar County for laboratory testing, $60 to DPS, judgment satisfied in 2025 CC 000685, proof of employment within 45 days, no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. I'm going to do the transfer to Wilson County. And I'm going to want field visits 1 time per month for 5 months. There's 100 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to order the parenting classes since you're seeing grandchildren a lot. Once you complete the parenting classes, community service hours will be deemed satisfied. There should be a TAP evaluation out of custody. Follow TAP results. Although probation, if we recommend inpatient treatment, we'll start with outpatient treatment. Is there anything else, probation? 100. Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful? All right, did you review the trial court certification of defendants' rights to appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
No.
All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
No.
All right, so we can go off the record. Here's the thing. Your case, I see it involved perhaps a DWI. You say you have a wedding coming up. You're one of those.
Here comes the verdict on conditions, the fine print that can make or break someone's future. Notice how the judge layers restrictions, classes, and check-ins. This is how courts try to stack the odds in favor of rehabilitation while keeping the leash tight.
People, you cannot drink alcohol. So at the wedding, you can't do that champagne toast. If you don't want anybody to know that you're not really doing a champagne toast, They have the Welchers that looks like champagne, I think. So there are other things to do it. You cannot backslide now. If you backslide now, what's going to end up happening is there could be a violation, and you're looking at potentially 20 years in the prison. So I know you don't want to see that happen. In this court, when people are on probation, communication is key. If there's an issue, let probation know about it. If you feel that you're about to use probation, what they're going to do is they're going to set it for a compliance hearing, and we're going to see if we can get you back on track. Everybody wants you to be successful at probation. Otherwise, the state wouldn't have offered it. You wouldn't have accepted it. I wouldn't have gone along with it. You understand? All right. Good luck to you. You're welcome. Yes. Yes. And I'll add the open travel for work. All right. Thank you. Yes. Well, he'll need to go over conditions with probation. Then he is excused. All right. Thank you. You too. Yes.
Just to let you know, we can, I think you that we can looking,
Mm-hmm. All right. Just give me a moment.
we also have, okay, yeah.
All right. Let me see Hector Aguilar. All right. Hello. Hi. So your attorney is on vacation. I didn't want you to be brought over and not know what's happening with your case. So we're going to recall you. And Norma, who's the attorney on this one? All right. So you want to put it on the same date as this other case? All right. So we're going to bring you back on August 12th. Do you have any questions? Oh, I'm so sorry. Let him know. Okay. If you'll let him know, Deputy Mejia, what the date is? Yes. Although I think I could have told him the date in Spanish. I'm working on my numbers. Mucho. I'm getting there. All right. And can I see the officer who's waiting for me, please? They can come around to my right. Oh, this one. Hello. What time's this? How you been going?
So glad my daughter's beautiful judge. I'm so happy. I'm working more part-time now. That's why you won't see me as much.
And how old is she?
4.5 months.
Yes.
She's a little angel. She's been sleeping well, except last night she woke me 5 times.
Oh, she's so
Just like that.
Oh, I see you in her.
You good. Most people don't.
I do.
Well, good. I hope she has.
That's the judge's final warning shot. Crystal clear, mess up, and 20 years could be on the table. And for those watching, this is exactly why probation isn't a free pass. It's a second chance with razor wire boundaries.
Here's now.
Okay. So yeah, I've been enjoying it. Very tired. I'm struggling. I'm very happy to be tired and struggling. I'm so amazing. I love the suffering.
So awesome.
Yes, Judge. This is Gloria's first setting, and there's missing discovery, which is to be expected. There's videos that are not loaded. I spoke with Mr. Pitlock about that, and we're hoping that next time we'll have a complete discovery and be able to decide how we're going to move forward.
All right.
So there is a company listing, and so whether we're going to PIC one or the other is still in the balance. It's going to depend on what we see on the missing video that actually has on.
Okay. All right. I need a 30-day reset on Longoria for discovery, please. All right. Oh, sir, just have a seat. They'll get the recent form for you. Okay. Dressed appropriately for court.
Yes, that's right, the 11th.
Yes. September 11th?
Yes.
All right. Thank you.
Yes.
Have a good one.
My new client, UAP, seems like it's not present.
Okay.
So I don't know if you wanted to.
I can recall it.
I was going to say that if you're new, we want the appointment information. I'll reach out to him by the day.
All right. Could you all pull the file on Sewell, please?
That was your water.
Yes. Like Sewell? Sewell? Sewell?
I don't know. Well, there's a big house and she's in a car dealership family. Or you will. There we go.
Yeah. No, and My niece is starting.
No college.
No. Preschool.
Oh,
Just a second. Probation. What is probation's recommendation with regards to this? They say that she is truthful.
Have to go. She had on it was hard to something expired. April 2026. The person before.
From what I'm observing is that she's has a number of struggles and she continues to know now that she's a victim, alleged victim in an aggravated assault case. Just continues, yeah, these problems that she has had to try to overcome it during the army. I think it's earlier on that when she was in GDC and she tried to utilize to maximize the time to try to improve herself.
All right, let me ask you this. Because it says in the court summary that she was in felony drug. So, did she successfully complete felony drug court? I don't think so. That's why she's here.
I was in drug court when I was in my 19. I wasn't ready to change. I didn't.
Oh, I see that's from 2010. That's before you were placed on probation.
So you're not. That's I didn't inquire about that because I saw that in the probation but it was from 2010. So
All right, this is what the court is going to do. The court would deny the motion and continue her on probation. There's to be alternate amending conditions to the following: no driving without a valid license and insurance being presented for probation. There's going to be field visits one time per month until further notice. 100 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to order parenting classes. Previous conditions of employment, and I'm going to ask for employment within 30 days of release. No employment as a home health care provider or with minors. There'll be random UAs, child evaluation, out of custody follow recommendation, and then of course the regular reporting by Zoom or in person, and defensive driving course. Probation, is there anything else?
I'm on the bus. I need to be taking the bus.
All right, so it's going to be ignition interlock, or a portable monitoring device within 30 days of release, and she can only have a portable alcohol monitoring device if she provides an affidavit of non-driving and no other vehicles at the residence. All right, is there anything else, probation?
Okay.
Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
How do I get the affidavit for the?
Oh, your attorney will speak to you concerning that.
Okay, one more thing. Because I do have full custody of my son, I was trying to work towards getting my own place. How do I do the pay?
Probation will speak to you about that. All right. All right, good luck to you.
Okay.